Hello world! Welcome back to another Prompt Riddle challenge video. In this video, we'll be playing level 4. Let's get into it. This is level 4. Sometimes hidden stuff are useful. Alright, we're going to start off by doing resources. And it says we have a picture A MP3. Now remember, this whole thing is a riddle. And I did not realize going into level 4 how much of a jump up it would be, like 0 to 60 wise, from the first 3 levels. The first 3 levels were literally just getting you used to these 3 functionalities over here, and then it just literally shoots you straight into just much more difficult challenges. So please remember that this is not necessarily cyber-oriented all the time. This is very, very much so logic, reasoning, analytical, and riddle-oriented. So with that in mind, we can take a look at this and see that it says picture A.mp3. Well, maybe the extension is wrong because it says picture A, so why would it be a sound file? So we're going to try to open up this file as if it were an image, because if we try to open it up as is, we can see that this file does not exist. But if we add the PNG extension like so, as it kind of suggests in the example here for the picture viewer, we can see that we get an image. If you look very closely at the top of the image, it says this is not the only hidden file. So that means that there's another file we need to look at, because we clearly don't know what these numbers mean yet. And I actually did try to rearrange those into different passwords. That's not it. You'll see what I mean here in a second. It also gives you an apology here that says sorry for using the wrong extension. Not that it really matters. But for now, we're going to actually download this picture, and we can do that by simply typing in download picture _a.png like so, and now we have it for future use. Now then, if there's a picture A, maybe there's a picture B. Remember, this is riddle oriented, so you kind of have to analyze everything, and you could be overthinking things very easily in these riddles, and I've learned that the hard way. So try the simplest things first, even if you think that there's no way that could be the solution, because it might end up being the solution. Alright, so we're going to actually try opening a picture B like I had previously mentioned. As you can see here, if we press enter, we indeed get a picture B. Now this might make picture A make more sense. Here we have Morse code. Now I'm going to go ahead and download this picture as well. And then we're going to compare them side by side. If you look at the 2 images, clearly these numbers are in place of these Morse code characters. And if you were to overlace them, these would perfectly overlap with these. So what could that indicate? Well, numbers can often mean order. So maybe this is telling us the order by which to decode these Morse code characters. So we would start by decoding the character in the bottom left-hand corner here, as that's represented by the 1 here. And then we would move on to the upper right-hand corner character right here and decode that one as it's represented by a 2, and so on and so forth till we get to 6. With that being said, we're going to open up a CyberChef window here. And we're going to pull that over here, and we're going to kind of align our pictures up so we can see both of them. And that's probably as good as we're going to get it. So we're going to look for the Morse code operation right here. We'll do from Morse code. Then in the input, we're going to start with whatever is represented by 1 here, which is -- dot. So -- dot. Then we'll put a space. Then 2 is -- 3 is dash. 4 is -- dot. 5 is ... And then 6 is -- and our password ends up being gotcha. And remember, we need to submit it in lowercase, so it's going to be gotcha in lowercase. So we'll maximize this again so we can see the whole terminal again, and we're going to do password gotcha like so. And we move on to level 5. Alright, if you enjoyed the video, drop a like and subscribe to the channel to show your support. Turn on post notifications to get regular injections of cyber content directly into your feed. Check out our Patreon, join our Discord, and follow us on Twitter. Links in the description box down below. And leave any feedback or questions in the comments section down below. This is Alma Milk. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, world.